Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all over the moon today. I'm also pretty fine. Today, I would like to say something about advantage of learning English. If you learn English and if you can speak English, you will get a lot of benefit. Firstly, you will get a good job. Secondly, you will get student visa. Thirdly, you will be able to achieve higher education. Then you will be able to communicate with the people of different countries in the world. Afterwards, you will be able to do international job. Next, you will be able to attend international seminar. Then, moreover, you will be able to deliver your speech in English, and you will be able to earn much money. If you learn English, you will be able to do many type of jobs, and if you learn English, you will be able to get much money. And if you learn English, you will be honor anywhere, and everybody will honor you. And if you learn English, you will be able to be a international speaker. So it's your opportunity, and you have a much time. Please don't waste your time. Learn English. It's very opportunity for you. Assalamu alaikum.